build upon, working towards the vision of a developed and self-reliant India. We are the students of AMC Kendriya Vidyalaya DIAT GIRINAGAR Pune. Under the inspiring Vocal for Local initiative, our team BioVators has developed a project that combines India's traditional knowledge with modern innovation, introducing the Smart Herbal First Aid Kit.
It uses locally sourced medicinal herbs like tulsi, aloe vera, neem, turmeric, peppermint, or sustainable, affordable, and eco-friendly alternatives to chemical-based first aid solutions.
Our kits promote traditional Indian medicine and local biodiversity, ensuring safety of people consuming it. Our kits target school children and minors for whom using chemical medicines are harmful. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the Government of India on the Prime Minister of ITC for this wonderful journey. It gives us this wonderful platform to showcase innovations and contributions to make society. With our Smart Herbal First Aid Kit, we aim to feed the nation in a local way, making India because it's vocal for local. Aloe vera gel. It helps in healing everyday cuts, burns and bruises. This powder contains ajwain, jeera and soap, which helps in digestion and reducing period pains.
This is peppermint oil. It helps in reducing itching and cools down muscle pain.
Turmeric powder. It helps in healing minor cuts and insect bites. And while mixing with aloe vera gel and applying on muscle, it reduces the pain. Thank you.